Hi, boys and girls. We're going to take a look at the calendar today. We're starting the second week of December already. It'll be the second week in December. Here's the first week. Here's the second week. All right. So let's see. Oh, I bet you can just eyeball that and tell me what today is. Because the first day of the week's always Sunday. What comes right after Sunday? Monday. And I bet you can just eyeball that and tell me what number comes next to. What comes right after 6? 7. Yes. So today is Monday, December 7th, 2020. All right. I already told you what yesterday was. No, did I tell you? Yeah, I did say what yesterday was already. But let's think. Okay, today's Monday. So yesterday is the day before. So that's here. So that was Sunday. But we want to figure out what tomorrow is going to be also. So yesterday was Sunday. Today's Monday. What will tomorrow be? Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Tomorrow will be Tuesday. What number will you expect to see here tomorrow? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I would expect to see an 8 there. If there's not an 8 there, I would be really surprised. All right, so this week we are going to start learning to count by 5s and 10s. And here's the cool thing. I have this little chart, and it makes it super easy to count by 5s and 10s. All right? So if you follow with me, I'll go through here and count by 5s to 100, and then we'll count by 10s to 100. Let's see if you can do it. All right? Now look, here's the thing. Look, all of the numbers that we're going to count by have little yellow stars by them, or over the number. Do you see the stars? Okay. So when we count by 5s, we use all of these. Whenever we count by 10s, we just use this last row. Because look, here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we know that 5 plus 5 more is 10. Yeah? So the whole row is 10. Half of the row is 5. And the other half makes 10. So when we count by 5s, we'll go here, 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 here. Okay? You can say the numbers with me. All right? Are you ready? Let's count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Now, we don't just count by 5s or 10s for no reason, okay? There are always reasons to count by 5s and 10s. One of the reasons to count by 5s is to count money, okay? That's a reason that you would count by 5s, because a nickel, this is a nickel, is worth 5 cents. So you only have one coin, but it's worth 5 cents. So you count it by saying 5, all right? So then when you count on, because we know that 5 plus 5 is 10, right? So 5, 10, then it's 10 and 5 more, okay? 5, 10, 15. What's 15 and 5 more? 20. So see, we're going to count nickels by 5s. So let's see if you can count them with me. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. I have 50 cents here, okay? And I know because I counted them by 5s because they're worth 5 cents each, all right? So I have 50 cents worth of nickels. So that's a reason to count by 5s. Now let's count by 10s and see what happens, all right? Now remember, I told you when we count by 10s, look, To get to 10, you have to go all the way over here. All right, so none of this matters. Okay, we're just going to count by tens because each row has 10 in it. So I can just say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, now there's a reason to count by tens, and one of those reasons is this coin. Oh, this is that small one that I like to use that special name for. What's that name I use for this coin? Dinky dime. Yep, dinky dimes are worth 10 cents. That's like having 10 pennies. Only instead of carrying 10 pennies around, you only have to carry one of these because it's worth 10 pennies. All right? So we have to count them by tens because that's how much it's worth. All right? Let's see if we can count these dimes by 10. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All right, so if you have 100 cents in dimes, you have $1. How about that? So we'll keep practicing counting our by fives and by tens because there are reasons to do that. Plus, it's really fast. Like when we count, when we count really fast and we put a number in our head and we put 5 up, and we just say 5, same thing. Okay. I dropped all of my nickels on the floor. I'm gonna have to move those. All right. Now, this week we have some new, a new word family, and it's UN, un. Okay, so it's words that end with UN, un. Okay, so let's see what we can add to the beginning of un to make some words. Okay, how about B? Can I add B to un? Un. Yes, I can. And I will get bun, like you put your hamburger on a bun. All right. How about, what if I add F to UN? Un. Fun. What if I add R to UN? Un. Run. What if I add S to UN? Un. Sun. Okay. Bun, fun, run, sun. Now, let me see. We're going to talk about, we used some sight words last week, A, and C, and I think I'd like to use those again today in a sentence. So I think my sentence today is going to be come and see an owl. How many words? 5 words. Come and see an owl. All right. First word's come. Do you remember what come starts with? It's one of those sight words you learned a couple weeks ago. Starts with a C. And it's the first word in my sentence, so I'm definitely going to use a capital letter at the beginning. It's C-O-M-E. Come. My next word was come and. Do you remember what and starts with? A. Go leave a nice space. And. If you have your whiteboard there, you can write this with me. Come and see Do you remember what C starts with? S. E. Come and see An. A-N. Leave a nice space. A-N. Come and see An. Come and see An. I need one more word. Owl. Owl starts with an O. O-W. Owl. Now, I'm going to teach you a new mark today. We know what a period is, we know what a question mark is, but there's also something called an exclamation mark. And that means you're excited about something, all right? So if there was someone that had a pet owl that you could come and see, you'd probably be pretty excited about it, right? I know I would be super excited about it. So you might need this exclamation mark at the end of the sentence so your reader knows that it's something you're really excited about. So it'll change how we read the sentence. It won't just say, come and see an owl. It'll say, come and see an owl, right? Because you're excited, because your voice changes when you're excited, right? So let me show you how to make this exclamation mark. It's a line down, and then we still have to put that period mark there. So it's a straight line down and a period mark. That means you're excited about it. All right. Great job. See if there's anything in your house that you might be able to count by 5s or 10s today.